80% of drivers are flushing money down the drain on car problems they could fix in their own driveway. But here's the crazy part. One single trick from this list could keep hundreds, even thousands of dollars in your pocket instead of the dealership. Most people have no idea they're getting played every time they pull into a service bay. So before you hand over another chunk of your hard-earned cash, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 genius car tricks that mechanics and dealerships would rather you never discovered. Stick with me, this one's going to pay for itself before the video even ends. Let's jump straight in. Trick number 15. You hop in your push-button start car, hit the button and nothing. The dash screams key fob not detected. Heart drops. You're picturing a dead battery, a tow truck, and a fat repair bill. Suddenly you're staring at $200, $300 easy, plus you're late for everything. Dealerships love these moments. They know panic equals profit. But here's the secret they don't advertise. Even with a completely dead fob battery, you can still fire up the engine. Just press the fob right against the start button, physically touching it, and press start. Most modern cars have a hidden RFID chip inside the fob that works without any battery power when it's that close. Boom, you're rolling again. Drive straight to the auto parts store, grab a new CR2032 battery for $3 or $4 and you're back in business. No tow, no $75 dealership service. This trick is literally in your owner's manual, but 95% of owners never read that far. And the same places charging you premium prices for a battery swap will happily sell you a whole new fob for $200, $400 just in case. Meanwhile, your original fob still works perfectly if you know this move. Trick number 14. That white or blue-green crust building up on your battery terminals, it's slowly killing your electrical system. Car cranks slow, electronics glitch, and suddenly everyone tells you it's time for a new battery. Mechanics see dollar signs, new battery plus labor, $150, $250, or at least $40 for a cleaning service. Don't fall for it. Clean the terminals properly with a wire brush and baking soda mix, then reconnect everything. Once tight, spray a light coat of WD-40 directly on the terminals and connections. That thin film creates a moisture barrier that stops corrosion dead in its tracks. Important, spray after you connect the cables, never before. Do it right and you'll prevent random no-start issues and extend your battery's life by years. Most batteries don't actually die, the connections rot first. Stop the rot and you stop the problem. Trick number 13. Fast food bags, coffee cups, receipts, and wrappers piling up everywhere. Your car starts smelling like a dumpster, passengers give you side-eye, and the car wash hits you with an extra trash removal fee. Dealerships push fancy organizers for $50, $100 that still don't solve the real issue. Here's the free fix that works better. Grab an empty cereal box, drop a plastic bag inside it, and you've got a perfect, stable, no-spill trash can. It slides right into a door pocket or between seats. The tall shape keeps everything contained even during hard stops or turns, and the top seals in odors. When it gets gross, toss it and grab another from the recycling bin. Zero cost, zero maintenance, infinite supply. Problem solved with something you were going to throw away anyway. Trick number 12. Locked out, fob dead or malfunctioning, panic rising, dealership quotes $300, $500 for a new fob plus programming, tow truck on the way. Not today. Almost every key fob has a hidden mechanical key inside. Look for the small release button or notch, slide it out, and you've got a real metal key. On many cars, the keyhole is hidden behind a small plastic cap near the door handle. Pop the cap, insert the key, and you're in. This same mechanical key can start many models too, even with a dead fob. It's a factory backup built for exactly these moments. You just saved yourself a very expensive emergency call. Trick number 11. Drive-through run for the family, and suddenly you've got one extra drink with nowhere to put it. Balancing it between your legs is a disaster waiting to happen. Forget overpriced add-on cup holders. Take a full roll of duct tape and set it on the passenger seat or floor. Most standard cups and bottles slide right into the center hole and stay rock solid through turns and bumps. Bonus, you now have emergency duct tape within arm's reach for the 1,000 little fixes that pop up on the road. One $5 roll gives you a rock-steady holder. Multiple rolls equals multiple holders, road trip sorted for pocket change. Trick number 10. Yellowed, foggy headlights killing your night vision and making other drivers flash you. Shops want $75 $150 to restore them or hundreds for new assemblies. Grab a lemon, cut it in half and rub the cut side vigorously over the lenses in circles for a couple minutes. The natural citric acid dissolves oxidation. For tougher haze, sprinkle a little baking soda on the lemon for gentle abrasion. Rinse, wipe with a microfiber and watch the clarity come roaring back. 10 minutes and 50 cents later, your headlights throw a bright, safe beam again. Shops hate how simple this is. Before we get to the next level tricks, if you're learning something valuable here, hit that like button. It helps more drivers discover these money-saving secrets. Trick number 9. Dashboard looking dull, dusty, and fingerprint covered. Paper towels just smear everything. Detail shops charge $75 $150 and fancy sprays cost way too much. Baby wipes, that's it. They're the perfect dampness, gentle enough for plastics and screens, and they lift grime without streaks or residue. One pack costs a few bucks and lasts months. Dashboard, console, doors, steering wheel all look freshly detailed. Detailers don't want you knowing their special cleaners are often just repackaged household stuff with huge markups. Baby wipes do it better for pennies. Trick number 8. Huge parking lot or garage and you can't remember where you left the car. Key fob clicking into the void while you wander like a lost soul. The second you park, open your phone map app and drop a pin. Takes 3 seconds. When you're ready to leave, just follow the navigation straight back. Works at airports, malls, stadiums, anywhere chaos reigns. Never hunt for your car again. Trick number 7. Winter morning, wipers frozen solid to the glass. You force them and hear that sickening scrape, blades ruined, maybe even motor damage. $100 $200 later. Night before a storm, slide old socks over each wiper blade. Snow can't bond to the rubber, ice doesn't form underneath. Morning comes, yank the socks off and your wipers work perfectly. Simple, free, and prevents expensive winter repairs. Trick number 6. Premium fuel button glowing at the pump. Your manual says recommended. You've been dutifully paying the extra 50-80 cents a gallon thinking you're protecting the engine. That's $400 $800 a year down the drain for most drivers. Check the manual carefully. If it says recommended and not required, modern NOx sensors let the car run safely on regular. You'll barely notice any difference in normal driving, but your wallet will feel it immediately. Only true high-performance machines usually need premium. Everyone else is funding the myth. Trick number 5. Constant windshield fog or overnight frost. Scraping every morning wastes time and risks glass damage. Cut a potato in half and rub the cut side all over the inside of the glass. Buff it clean. The starches leave a thin hydrophobic layer that repels moisture and makes frost slide right off. Reapply every week or so. Costs pennies and works better than most expensive sprays. Same trick works on bathroom mirrors and glasses too. Trick number 4. Car interior looking like a rolling junk drawer, toys, snacks, cables, maps everywhere. Hang a cheap over-the-door shoe organizer on the back of the front seats. Suddenly, every item has its own pocket. Easy reach for the driver or passengers. $10 at any discount store and your car feels twice as organized and spacious. Factory-branded organizers are the same idea with a massive markup. Shoe organizers are tougher and cheaper. Trick number 3. Check engine light on, weird glitches, infotainment acting up. Mechanic wants $150 plus just to scan it. Pop the hood, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect. This resets the car's computer, clears temporary codes, and fixes a surprising number of electronic gremlins. Free driveway reset that works when the issue is software-related rather than a failing part. Trick number 2. Eco mode sitting unused on your dash. Most drivers ignore it thinking it'll make the car feel gutless. Turn it on for daily driving. It smartly adjusts throttle, shifting, and climate control for maximum efficiency. You'll see 10-25% better mileage with almost no noticeable change in normal conditions. That's hundreds of dollars a year in gas savings. Use it everywhere except when you need full power. Trick number 1. Store-bought washer fluid is basically colored water with additives, and you keep buying it. Make your own. Mix 1 part cheap vodka or other hard liquor with 1 part water. Add a couple drops of dish soap. The alcohol prevents freezing, cuts bugs and grime like crazy, and costs a fraction of the bottled stuff. Adjust the ratio for colder climates. One batch lasts longer and performs better. You just replaced multiple products with one homemade solution. So tell me in the comments, which of these tricks surprised you the most? Which one are you trying first? If this video just saved you serious money, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more hidden car knowledge that dealerships don't want you to know. Your next big money saver is waiting in the video up next. Click it. You're going to wish you known these years ago. See you in the garage. Drive safe.